In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product review section to your Wix website. This is a great way to enhance your site by allowing customers to leave feedback about your products, which can help build trust and encourage more sales. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. To do this, open up your web browser and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and select the site you want to work on. Click on the option to open your site in the editor. This step is crucial because all the customization and additions to your site happen here. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Add Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Wix allows you to integrate various features into your website, including the all-important reviews function. The Add Apps button is a gateway to enhancing your site's capabilities, allowing you to add everything from blogs to online stores. And today, we're focusing specifically on product reviews. After clicking on Add Apps, you'll be taken to the Wix App Market. In the search bar situated at the top, type Wix Reviews. This will narrow down the vast array of apps to just the one we need. The great thing about the Wix App Market is that it gives you access to fully integrated tools that are simple and straightforward to use on your site. Now, you should see the Wix Reviews app in the search results. Click on it to open the app's details page. This page will provide you with a quick overview of what the app can do for your business, like showcasing customer testimonials and managing product reviews seamlessly. If you find everything looks good and it truly is a fantastic tool, click the Add to Site button. If this is your first time using the app, you might see a pop-up asking you to agree to the terms of service. Simply click Agree and Add to continue. Once this step is complete, the app will automatically integrate into your web page. With those steps, the Reviews section is now live on your site. From here, you can further customize its appearance and placement to fit your website's design. This will enhance your user experience, providing your customers with the opportunity to share and read insightful feedback. And there you go. You've successfully added a product review section to your Wix website. Remember, reviews not only help potential customers make informed decisions, but also improve your credibility as a seller. As always, keep an eye on those reviews, engage with your customers, and watch your business grow. Thanks so much for joining me in this tutorial, and happy customizing on Wix.